Are you tired of renting exhibition stands for every event? Why rent when you can own a stand and use it for multiple exhibitions? Let me introduce you to Creeya, the ultimate modular and reusable exhibition system. Creeya's fully modular design allows its components to be neatly packed in flight cases, making transport and handling effortless for a smooth, worry-free exhibition setup. Premium, elegant, and versatile. Designed with cutting-edge European technology to enhance your brand experience. Let's start with the 6x4 configuration. This spacious setup offers two open sides, giving you maximum visibility from multiple angles. Creeya offers eco-friendly wrinkle-free fabric graphics with silicone edge beading for quick setup and a premium look. It features modular meeting and storage rooms, along with product display shelves and panels. The system includes energy-efficient LED lighting. Creeya is the perfect solution for exhibitions and large events. We can reconfigure the 24 square meter design into 3 additional layouts, a 15 square meter booth, a 9 square meter booth, and a standalone backdrop, showcasing its versatility to suit various exhibition spaces. Durable for over 100 uses, it's a cost-effective choice for repeated events. Choose Creeya for a hassle-free professional exhibition experience. Your perfect display solution awaits. Visit instagroup.com or call 916-724-6768 to get started today.